Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title guys how to set pattern lock in Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to set pattern lock, you want to use pattern lock settings, and how to use pattern lock one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So when how to set pattern lock, friends click here password, and friends click here set lock screen password. Wait for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds friends click here continue, and friends select your password type. And today we will talk about pattern lock full setting. So friends we will select pattern lock, and friends draw pattern, and friends remember your pattern. If you forget you cannot unlock your Oppo mobile. And friends if you 3 dots you cannot set pattern. Your pattern should 4 dots. So friends I will use 4 dots pattern. And friends you want to add fingerprint, so friends click here, you can add fingerprint lock. I don't want to add. Off your screen. You want to unlock your mobile, friends draw pattern, you can unlock your phone. So like that way we can set pattern lock, we can use pattern lock on lock screen in Oppo mobile. And friends you want to change your pattern lock, so you can change your phone pattern lock also. Open your phone setting, again password setting, lock screen password, draw device pattern, modify password, and if you click turn off so you can remove password. Friends click here modify password, again draw your pattern lock and select your new password type pattern. And friends you can draw new pattern. So friends I will draw this pattern for lock screen. And friends remember your password. If you forget your password you cannot unlock your Oppo mobile. Lock your screen, and you want to unlock your mobile, so when draw new pattern, because if you draw old pattern you cannot unlock your mobile. Draw new pattern, you can unlock phone. So like that way we can set and we can change pattern lock in Oppo mobile. And friends you don't want to use any pattern, so when open your phone password biometric setting, lock screen password, friends click here draw pattern, and friends click here turn off option. Again you want to change, so friends click here modify, and you don't want to use, click here turn off option, draw pattern, and friends your lock screen password remove, means your pattern lock will remove and you cannot use pattern lock in your device. You can swipe, you can unlock your phone without pattern. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to set up pattern lock in Oppo mobile. Bye.